Hi everyone, in this video we will be discussing about MailerLite, which is the best email marketing software. Before we dive in, there's a link in the description that you can use to access extended free trial as well exclusive bonuses onto this platform. Jumping onto this, we are currently on our dashboard and we can see nothing in here yet, and that is because I have just created my account. If you head over to your campaigns section from the left side of your screen, now if you have any idea about email campaigns, it is all about creating your campaigns related to emails, and you are going to be using different templates. So right now, as you can see, we are on our campaigns section, and from here you can utilize the power of templates to create your campaigns. You can see you have your A/B testing, which is comparison with A with B. You have your auto respond, gives subscribers a second chance to open campaigns, automatically send emails with the new content updates. Pre-designed templates let you craft emails that matches your goals, surveys, and much more. So if you click on create, you will be headed over to choosing a campaign type section. So let's say I want to create an auto resend campaign, and then we need to enter details according to what we need, and it will be of course be creating our campaign. Now let's just head back and see what more it has to offer. You can also manage your subscribers, so you can even add your subscribers in here. Simply click on this add subscriber option from the top and then enter the details in here. You can upload your CSV file as well. You can copy paste from Excel, add single subscriber, so individual entry is possible as well. So this is for the subscribers list. We have our sites automation. So let's just head over to automation, so we can create our automations using different integrations that it offers. Finally, we have our account settings, file manager, and my template. So really amazing email campaign site. Make sure to give it a try. Now talking about MailerLite reviews, let me just show you some of them. So you can see ease of use and editor and email types. So classic A/B testing, autoresponder, surveys, recurring newsletters, and database. So this is something really impressive for the email marketers out there as well. So really positive reviews as well. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed and liked this platform. If you did so, you can try out MailerLite using the link in the description below. That will give you extended free trial as well exclusive bonuses. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next video.